We are in Amsterdam at the University of Applied Science, which is very great to be here because it's a great institution, and we are really very proud to be invited to be here and to hold our 20th ETP conference.
Some 20 years ago, we founded Textile ETP, the European Textile Technology Platform, the organization to create a European network for textile research and innovation. So it's the 20th edition here in Amsterdam. Very happy to be here.
It was really important for me that we could bring the ETP to the Netherlands because it's time for the Netherlands to show what we're good at, which is digitalization. And it was really important for us to be able to show that we are a capital of textiles in Europe. 14% of textiles go through the Netherlands for Europe. And so that's a lot considering that we're only 4% of the population. Here at the Amsterdam University of Applied Sciences, we not only have the Masters of Digital Fashion Technology, we have the Masters of Applied AI, and our students and our researchers are really at the forefront of this for all of Europe, and it was good to have them here to show them what we're doing.
Right now we are talking about digitalization because we know almost all other industries, they have been started to work on that, but the textile is just on the beginning of that. And we are talking about strategy, which is important to have if you want to implement some new approaches to the textile industry, but also we are talking about best practice examples which are already placed on the market in regard of the digitalization for textile industry.
So we believe that digitalization will be a game changer for this industry. It will take some time, but in everything digital, things will go faster than we believe. So we will see a lot of disruption.
I'm excited about digitization, but what I'm more excited about is understanding the right processes, because having AI and digitization on the wrong processes is like pouring cement on your mistake. And you're going to amplify the problems that the industry already has. What we want to make sure in the textile and the fashion industry is that we don't replicate the mistakes of others using this technology and really fundamentally think about how do we design processes that then can be digitized in the right way.
Digitalization is something that we are really up to now. And also it's really great that we can collaborate within Europe and to see each other's strengths and how we also can cooperate even more to utilize all strengths that we have actually.
The key element of being successful in all industries, particularly in the textile, is collaboration. Collaboration, talking to each other, exchange the information.
Having all these perspectives related to the AI, the DPP, the EPR, and all the digitalization that is coming towards the textile industry, this is a place for cooperation, networking, exchange ideas, and also understand the perspective from all these different actors.
Having a space to discuss the specifics and the physics of how products are made so that you can then figure out how to make them better and how to make the system better is essential.
Being here is like being a sponge, and then to go back into the field or into the studio and bringing more life and energy to this transition. Also excited to get in contact with people afterwards to talk things through and maybe set things up. Yeah, really great.
What we really love is that often these discussions that people have, they lead to concrete projects 1-2 years down the line. So people come to me and say, oh, we have this new project that we started with this partner that we met for the first time a year ago in Amsterdam. And that's what I'm really looking forward to.